Here's a before. Oops, let me go out. Goodbye, heavenly bamboo. And a before this side. And here is an after. Quite a difference. Let me show you the other side. Yes, yes, yes. I love the guy who does my yard work now. So good. And maybe I'll get me a garden going in there. Some hostas. We'll see. Okay, here I bought another bird fountain. This is in the front yard. This is Jimmy's water bowl. I scrubbed it out and filled it full of water. Now, you might wonder why I put it here. Well, because then, when and if I do have to dump the water out, it'll water my plants. So, I even got on my dancing shoes because I knew I was going to be getting wet. Now, let me go get the fountain. It's like the other one. Can you hear it? Listen. I just took it out of the box. So, I need to take that protective plastic off the top there. Now, so, can you hear it? Just a second. Here. Okay. See how it does. Well, I hope I didn't ruin it by keeping that out of the sun too long. Oops. I see what's wrong here. Just a second. Okay, I had to put that little box thing back over the hole. Now, all I did was put it in, and look how good it's doing. But it came with these other little things just like the one in the backyard. I don't know if I want to use them because if I do, it'll squirt the water out. But let me see what they look like. Putting you down. Well, there's one. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. There's one, and I got those more, but I don't think, I don't know. I think I like it better with nothing. So, just a second. Let me take that off. Okay, there it is with nothing. And you know, for the front yard, I think I like that. Now, I put it here for several reasons. One, when and if I have to dump it out, I can dump it on my plants. I can use the water to water my plants here. And also because this part of the yard gets a lot of sun. Oh, I'm going to have to pick up my trash. So, I like it. I say this is well worth the money. Now I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm doing here with the backyard. There's my trash man. Sorry for the noise, y'all. But yeah, well worth it. I don't remember how much I paid for this one. I paid like $16 for the one in the back. And this one I think I paid $12. I don't know. Walmart.com. I put a scan at the end of this video of this particular fountain. Okay, y'all, this video is going to be really choppy. I'm so sorry. But here is the pond that I put in. And it's doing what it's supposed to do, but it is full of mosquito larvae. So we're going to plan B. And plan B is using Jimmy's water bowl, like we did in the front. Now, the instructions on the fountain say to not let it go dry. So I've put some water in Jimmy's water bowl here so I can transfer it while I empty out this water. See, here's the thing, y'all. The mosquito larvae in and of themselves is not bad, because that's going to happen. That would happen all the time in Jimmy's water bowl. But when I empty this out to get rid of the mosquitoes, that's what, 30, 40 gallons. In here, it's what, 5 gallons, 10 gallons maybe, and that's an awful lot of water. So I'm going to empty this out, and well, here, I'll let you see. And put it in there while I empty this out. Okay, y'all, here's the setup. I took the little thing off so that it could just, you know, be nothing and just keep the water going. I'm done. I'm satisfied. This is it. So this was plan B. And I put those rocks in there because the little birdies need something to sit on when they're drinking water. So thanks for watching, everybody. Shalom, shalom.